Alright, so I went to Walmart today looking for just a tube to float down the river with. Came across this bad boy, the Pathfinder 2-person river raft. Comes with the hand pump and the oars. I thought 20 bucks, I have to pick this up. Let's crack her open, see what's actually inside here. And maybe it'll be alright, but 20 bucks, I figured it was worth it. Alright, here's my pump, rope. Oh wow. I was wondering how they fit an oar in this box, and that actually is pretty neat. We'll see how that is. Yeah, here we go. Wow, little repair patch. This is good quality rubber, it seems like. This thing is big. Let's get this thing on the floor and I'll play it. 1 second. Alright, so this bad boy's got a nice two-way valve right here, which is nice. So the good news with this thing is that when you're pumping it up, you're going to get a nice workout before you sit back and drink a bunch of beers on the river. So then it's got these other attachments for the smaller valves. So for some reason the pump wasn't working on the number 1 valve, maybe because I did it last. Anyways, I had to go the old school way. That was a lot more work than I'd hoped it would be. I hoped the pump would make it easier, but I'm like sweating. It was not easy. Now let's check out these oars. I'm pretty sure with this bad boy, I'm gonna be very dominant on the river. Oh man, I'm gonna be passing people. I'm going to be pretty unstoppable, honestly. So the actual paddle part's a little flimsy, as you can see. I imagine it's not going to hold up well in many rapids. Probably will be a later video that I actually get on the river with this thing. Give my final thoughts after I give it a good college effort, you know. Yeah, these are a little flimsy. I suspect they could break pretty easily. But for 20 bucks, I mean, you get 2 paddles and a 2-person raft. So it's not a bad deal, really. So the only thing I haven't done yet is put on this rope that just goes around the edge. So I'll do that real quick. I'm no expert at knot tying, but they say if you can't tie a knot, tie a lot. So there you have it. This is the Pathfinder 2-person raft, although I think it's going to work great with just me. 2 people could squeeze in, I guess, but it'd be kind of hard. Yeah, this bad boy is going to be cruising down the river. I can feel it already. I'm going to be just passing people, you know. It's going to be great. There's only one thing that this vessel is missing, and that would be a cup holder. With that being said, I give this 9 out of 10 wood buy.